Alright, here we have a 2016 Harley Davidson Charcoal Denim Breakout. I'm going to do a quick video on a sound comparison with the stock air cleaner and the stock exhaust. I'm going to go ahead and throw a Screaming Eagle Heavy Breather Elite intake on and an Arlen Ness Magnaflow F-Bomb exhaust. We're going to go ahead, fire it on up, and just kind of give you a basic sound comparison of stock versus with the Magnaflow and everything. So we'll go ahead and see how she sounds. Definitely doesn't sound bad, but it's definitely not a Harley. So we'll go ahead and get the other stuff on and check back and see what she sounds like. Alright, so we're back. We got the 2016 Breakout. We've got the Screaming Eagle Heavy Breather, the Elite, installed with the Arlen Ness Magnaflow F-Bomb. You can see the stock exhaust right there. It's been tuned, by the way. I did use a Vance & Hines FP3 and tune it after the install, and it definitely sounds like a bike now. Here we go. Go ahead and turn that on. So there you have it. 2016 Breakout.